How to change the size in Soundation. First of all, open your Soundation project and make sure the sound clip you want to resize is properly selected on the timeline. To resize the clip, move your cursor to the edge of the sound clip on the timeline until it changes into the resize icon. Then, click and drag the edge to the left to make the clip shorter, or to the right to make it longer, depending on how much duration you want to add or trim. If you need to trim your clip at a specific point with more accuracy, you can use the Scissor tool to split the clip exactly where you want. After cutting, you will be able to move, resize, or delete sections individually to better fit your project. This method is especially useful when you are working with longer tracks or detailed edits, as it helps you fine-tune the size of each part without affecting the entire audio clip. Also, zooming in on the timeline gives you better control over the editing process, making it easier to see small changes and adjust the size with higher precision. And that's it. Now you know how to change size in Soundation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.